Hi, today we will see how to say and write hope or wish in Chinese. In Chinese, we use the same word for these two words, hope and wish. All right, we say 希望, 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 希望. So you see how to write these two characters on the right side of the video. And for example, if you want to say hope for world peace, world 世界 peace 和平 so you would say 我希望世界和平我希望世界和平 Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video and please check out other videos as well. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. See you